What's up? Good morning, somebody. Mutsakhone, it's Mark and Set with Billy here. All right. What we doing here today, Billy?
Well, we just got done teaching the English class.
Yeah.
I had to cut it a little bit short because the electricity went out earlier and it kept going in and out and playing when the kids were getting kind of hot, So
Okay.
I didn't want to wear them out too much. But yeah, we came here and I taught our last day of English school so they can start the new school year. But also since my wife came, I want to spend some time with her for the next 3.5 weeks as well. And we'll start again back at the next Sunday,
Yeah.
So we've got stuff here for the kids, primarily because of this guy right here.
No, thank you for the donations.
Contributions.
Yeah.
Obviously his generosity goes beyond what we could possibly even say. So, it's people like him that make things possible, and Kathy and my family as well that all basically show some support in what we're trying to do here and try to make a little bit of difference for just the kids in the community and do what we can here,
Yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you, bro. Hey, we appreciate you, man. No, seriously. Giving back to the community is awesome. You know what I mean? So we appreciate you. Without you, I wouldn't know where to go. You know what I'm saying? So this is awesome.
It's a start.
It's a start.
It's a start of a platform, and we're trying to do something a little bit differently.
Yeah.
Than what normally everybody else does. Like I was explaining a little bit earlier, the kids here, they're the rock stars, man. They show up, and you know how it is being here in Laos. And a lot of kids here, they help their parents work, and sometimes they can't come, but when they don't come, we get on a group chat together. We teach throughout the week as well. So
okay.
But they show up, man. They show up every single weekend, and their willingness to learn just speaks volumes for them, And I really like enjoy seeing that. The fact that they do it, and they progress so much because the way they talk is different, right? And their enunciation, just like I was saying earlier, is I don't want to teach just the ABCs because anyone can learn just the ABCs. Right? We all know English is very difficult. It's a very difficult language to learn. But I teach through repetition, everyday conversations, and you may see a board looking like, oh, you see blue, green, but phonetically, for them to be able to, or even for them to be able to enunciate it correctly, or just the way it's supposed to sound, and it's amazing how they progress. Because you can sit there and say, like I said before, when I first started them, they knew just some letters, and they would say like instead of H, like we would say, they would say 8.
Oh, okay.
And it would say, and instead of saying S, they would say at.
Okay.
But hearing them be able to just progress to week to week, 'cause like we don't do this every day, We do this on the weekend, and it's a journey out here, right?
Yeah.
It's a journey out here. So it's like an hour journey just to get back and forth. So, and seeing them come and do this every single weekend when they can, man, is like I said, but it's my heart it just opens up to them.
Yep.
With the rock stars.
Well, thank you, brother. Thank you for all you do.
Thank you, man, for everything you've done. For everything you've done for each and everybody here, as well, not just the kids, but for everyone here, man. You have a very good platform that not so many people hold, and I can sit there and say I've seen a lot of people. Someone like you ask for nothing. Anything you ask for is basically given to everybody else. You don't have an ask for yourself. That speaks volumes as well. Thank you.
Hey, it's all about being kind and giving, So let's go. Khop chai da. And we got Matt Minot. Look at that, is growing back in. We got Ed. He's taking his tattoo off, so he's a little swollen. He's got like 6 chins right now. Check it out. You know what I mean? And he got, and those 2 guys that beat you up, they gave you a black eye too, huh? And we got Flip's not drinking. Wow, hell yeah, this is a great idea. Oh man, you sit behind a beer. Of course he had to sit right behind the beer. Oh. Somebody, Matsakon. Somebody. Oh. Where would I? Say hi to the world.
What do we say in English? How do we say it? How do we say? Yeah.
Okay.
How do we say somebody on top?
Morning.
Good morning. All right. Thank you.
What day is it today?
What's today?
What day is it today? Saturday.
Saturday. All right. Hey, and look, and this is the lady that makes it happen. Right? Thank you, Elle, for all you do.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for coming, guys.
Yeah, no, thank you for having us. All right, look at this. They got some food going on. Look at that. They're about to get sep. Ooh, อันนี้เป็นอย่างไรนี่
คนเอาไหม
ว้าโอ้ผักเลยนี่ขอบใจเด้อออก YouTube ได้อยู่ดิโอเคโดน Hello, what's your name? What's your name? Huh? They got the pig. Let me move. Oh, okay. Wow, they got a whole pig.
Yeah. Chicken too?
We can do it later. Yeah, you know.
ขอโต๊ะยาวเรามีอยู่ไหน
มีหวะกระบอกตก
We got a cake. Oh, okay. That's Billy's aunt. What are you guys doing over here? Huh? Mon's POV.
I got a high hoop.
Okay. Let's see how he posing. That's for his wife, Elle. All right. Yeah, they got a little piglet. What's your name? All the kids over here. Okay. Hello. Yes, ลืมเบิ่งเด้อ Mark and Sap. Song Mark and Sap on YouTube เด้อ. You understand me? You gotta watch my channel. It's called Mark and Sap. Yeah. Mark and Sap.
So many บริคนมานี่ก็กันด้วยกับไอ้มากเนี่ยก็ซื้อของมาฝากขอบคุณจะมาสอนมาเรียนคิดโอเคขอบใจพวกเจ้ามาทุกที่ในวันเสาร์วันที่ผู้เจ้ามาเรียนขอบใจหลายแล้วอันนั้นผู้มาเห็นขอโทษหลายแล้วมันขาดบ่ได้นับขนาดอยู่บายกลับมาจะเอาให้บ่ซ่อมให้ตื่นโอเคOh, we got it. That's new, and the last one new. So, put in these bags. Who you give it to?
ได้
มาเอาเลยเด้อขึ้นมาเอารถอีกได้นะตัวใดมาเอาตัวใดมาเอาเลยเด้อ
แต่ละคนจ่ายแต่ละคนบ่ญาติกันเรียนคิว
And they're giving out money.
Put the money bag in there.
For the boys. ให้ผู้ชายโอ้เจ้าได้เอานะว่ะ Oh, the girl took it.
You gotta line up. Let him line up, because he gotta get the money out still.
Yeah, wait till line up to get the bag.
But then,
People side.
เอามาเรียนแถวเอาเงินพร้อมเด้อบัตรได้ชงแล้วมาเอาเงินนำ
right there, so you gotta give.
All right.
Anh đi khai cái chặt này. Đi khai. Anh đi mua hay đi khai. Còn con đi khai. Thì nào ai đi mua hay nữa.คุณจะไปมาที่เดิมนี่นะมีพวกเขา
มีเงินให้ครับอย่าไปเสียได้กันเสียลุงเอาเด้
ทุกคนไปผู้ชายก็อาจจะไปเรื่อยเอาให้เราก่อนยอมมันไหม
เอาเงินได้เงินแล้วบอกเอาเงินน้ำเพิ่นเอ้ยฟลิปบอให้เดียว
Everybody got it? I'm gonna get one.
เอาเรื่องหน่อย
Right here, the light bulb.
น้อยนั่น คนใหญ่
ได้3 วันนี่ไอ้บอกอยู่ว่ามันน้อย
All right
วันนี้ผม
จะ
จะ
เป็นใหญ่
ได้
จะเป็นใหญ่จะเป็นคนใหญ่เป็นยัง
ได้สมอย
ไปสิมาอีกชนะไปสิมาอีกซื้อแบบใดซื้อสีดำบ่จะเป็นบอกใส่ซื้อแบบบ่ซื้อแบบสิ
ไปเลยนะ
มาชนะ
they already took the money and they dropped the envelope
So thank you Diana Mom thank you Mom too
yeah thank you Diana too
Yes thank you so much do that for kids everybody
thank you hey what do you guys say all right all right well that's all done let's go home just kidding man that's me before Watson's in the car with the AC on though you know what I mean all right so yeah that's it now we're going to eat and we're going to celebrate Aaron's birthday all right let's go check on Watson see how he is my poor son oh you driving where you going bro huh Watson where you going man I'm so sorry buddy hey I love you you want some treat you want a treat okay hold on I'm going to give it to you okay I love you
you want to stand in the front so you the teacher or like in the back I mean yeah
all right so they're getting ready to take pictures
yeah take a look
เอาไปเลยเป็นไข่มุกเป็นไข่มุกบอกแล้วไข่มุกแม่ลูกเป็นไข่มุกอันนี้เอาไว้คุณลูกเสียนี่จะได้ระบายสองเนี่ยคุณลงมาวันนั้นซ้อมไปเสร็จแล้วคุณนี่คนให้ดีนะ
they're trying to get them to trying to get them to stand
นกขอบใจได้ป่ะลูกนกขอบใจ
Okay here that's it
yeah all right
get in there now
yeah go get in there Billy
ทุกคนขน้อยขอบใจทุกคนมาแม่ขน้อยขอบใจ
yeah that's cool I just turn the camera around yeah thank you all right happy birthday all right listen it feels good it feels great I love kids I miss my daughter I love you Kinsley I love you Marissa okay I mean หมูปิ้นอันนี้นะมาเด้อ
the mayor paid good
yeah
Happy birthday Aaron okay do that skin bro I gotta get that skin bro
damn I'm black as hell and dumb man
you green bro you're so black you purple
เป็นลาวแท้ๆเลยไปหน่อยตับ
อันนี้ข้าวเหนียวอยู่ใน
อันนี้เป็นอย่างอันนี้น่ะ
ข่อยก็แบบ
อันนี้เครื่องในเด้อ
เครื่องใน
look me and at we are
มาเด้อ
we got a competition who's going to be the most loud I'm dog as hell but he got the hoodie on
oh the pig
yeah no tell name man
intestines
yep no try that out
I don't know what that is ตับไตไส้
get on the Bluetooth man play some American music
that's it happy birthday we out in Pon Hong Pon something พนหยังก็พนหงป่ะพนหงมาเด้อ
No, they just soup no money. I heard you say something like that.
some kind of หน่อไม้
Yeah.
ก็ก็
Why the money?
แล้วคนนี้
Eh? Manapin. Bro. Manano.
Bro, but who man like
หงละ
That's okay.
I like it, bro. You like it sweet, don't you?
No, I like my pepper.
Yeah, you just like it pepper. Spice a lot and like that bag.
จำเจียว
It ain't on point, but this bag is on point.
แบบนี้ก็ได้ละสบาย
Bag, you know what it is?
กินข้าวจำเจียว eat a sticky rice just the sauce I'm good with that you know what I mean simple meal
Gotta have a sticky rice, y'all.
แหนมป่าเด้อ
And this is good.
แหนมข้าวเด้อ
I
ตำ
ain't
แหนม
struggling
ป่า
with this. It ain't sticking to my hand. It's gold.
โอ้กล้วยหอยเด้อกล้วยหอยเด้อมาเด้อมื้อคนยังกินมาโลด all right village food right here good stuff
Good.
เพิ่นเอาแกงหน่อไม้มาให้อีกแล้วคนลาวเขาเคยเห็นบ่แหนมปลานี่นี่แต่แหนมส้มเอาใหญ่ขึ้นมาอยู่ไม่กล้าได้กินได้แต่แหนมส้มหมูมานี่พนหงนี่ได้กินแหนมปลาเด้อมาเด้อ
That's it, flip now.
I said you know in America we're just used to like the nam with the sour pork and here you know in Laos we get the nam with the fish and it's good I like it ให้ลองแหนมปลาเนาะเอาเจลเพิ่นใส่มีเจลมากินน้ำนี่เฮ็ดแบบนี้โลดหน้าที่ต้องละพัน
เดี๋ยวตัวนึงทำนี่เดี๋ยว
10,000น้ำI love ผักอันนี้
strong man
I love ผักอันนี้ Look at that
Don't drown it with it. You know what I'm talking about? What's up, bro?
It's so good
Yeah, I gotta cover my neck up.
Oh, that's what it's for?
Yeah, just for the time when the breeze get on the dirt over
so the food out here is really delicious
Tonight?
really delicious I like it
Not so rubber.
it's village countryside food the best
kind of sucked up all on
Yep.
the you know, like tattoo.
ยังกินเหล้าแท้ๆเลย
Plastic, you know what I'm talking about?
I know it.
Yeah.
Okay so แอดสิมาตำบัดนี้นะไหนบอกแอดสิตำวะ
เอ้ยที่ต
โอเค4มือมาลองมาเด้อ All right Ed's gonna get down to business now Ooh Fish ใส่เพิ่นบ่โอ้มีปลา
ำ this morning, bro.
Caught it this morning
Yeah.
Oh เด้อเอาปลามาส่งเด้อหาก็ไปตึกได้เมื่อกี้นี่
โอ้ thank you so
โดย
much ปาตึกมันจะใส่นี่นะ
ปลาตึกมาแต่น้ำเงิมน้ำหยังก็
คาราดน้ำเงิม
น้ำเงิม
ฮะ
ฮะ
บนนะเอามาที่บนน้ำท่วมกันแล้ว
แก่เด้อ
โอเคเข้าใจละลายเข้าใจ All right it's still going and they about to do a cake Oh my gosh look at all them cakes Wow วันเกิดผู้ใดมื้อนี้ฮะ โอ้วันเกิด Aaron เหรอ
I think my favorite one is the soccer one.
Yeah you love soccer Okay
I should have brought my ball.
Happy birthday to Aaron
I should have brought my ball though.
Yeah Your ball where at? Back in the States?
No, it was at home.
Yeah Wow
Back home here.
Look at the kids all waiting for the cake All right look at him He's getting ready Oh let me make sure the fan don't get to it
ไปเดินดูดาบังเด้อ
Happy birthday
ไอ้บอยทำทำให้นี่
Okay
just sing it normally
Okay 1 2 3
Happy
birthday to you You gotta do that
Happy birthday
to you Happy birthday Happy birthday to you Real fast Oh yeah Happy birthday
เปิดเพลง
I don't know the bird
ครับบูจะเฮ็ดเด้
เอาอีกมาดิ
ผู้นี้ยังบ่ได้เป่านั้น
โอ้ลูกบิลลี่ ลูกบิลลี่อันนี้นะมันดอก
เอาเงินนำเนาะ
เอาเปิดเพลงมิวสิก
เปิดเพลงมานี่นะ
อย่าเข้าไปไม่ย้าไม่จ่ายพวกเราอย่าเข้าไป
แม่มึงกองแท้
Happy birthday to you Happy birthday Happy birthday Bring the phone closer เอาโฟนมาใกล้ๆนี่ Oh my gosh Okay, it's about time to go blow it on out. Hey! Yeah! All right. Happy birthday, Aaron. Okay. Somebody. Oh, what's up, Aloy? How you doing? Hi, Nikki. Hey. มาแล้วโอ้เห็นกันอีกแล้วสบายดี Alright Look who's here It's Johnny It's Johnny Johnny in the house Okay เฮ้ยจับกันได้คุณเด็กนี่ Alright มาเด้อมากินมาเด้อเนาะมาcome So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you, Billy, for everything. We appreciate you. The food was phenomenal. The kids were awesome. And we got to do it again.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Thank you, Steve and Kathy, for the generous donations you gave to the kids. You guys made it all super possible for the kids today. They were ecstatic. The level of happiness on their faces. Words can't even explain exactly how happy they were because things like this they don't normally get. And, you know, we take for granted a lot of times, but just those simple things for them matters the most. And again, thank you everything. And of course, thank you to my family back in Ohio, with Fiat, with Colin and Nook, and of course my brother Aguiton from Las Vegas, my sister Pat from Texas, and my kids. And of course, as always, thank you for making this happen for everybody.
Bro, no, thank you. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, we got to do it again.
Yeah, for sure.
All right? Hey. Listen, it's everybody came together, you know. I got a few more donors and I've got a few more schools to go to. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. ขอบใจหลายๆเด้อมาทุกคนเด้อน่าพูด There's some people from Georgia, okay? They didn't want me to say their name, but you know, hey, I love you guys. ขอบใจหลายๆ Thank you. สาธุ